Hello, my name is Chirag Jain, and today I am going to start our new topic, rational number. Before start this topic, we are discuss for some other some other numbers, like first is natural number. Natural numbers are those numbers which starts from 1 and end at infinity. It means we have infinite natural numbers which starts from 1 and we don't know what is the last natural number. नेचुरल नंबर वो नंबर होते हैं जो 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, लेकिन हमें उसका लास्ट नंबर नहीं पता होता कि लास्ट में वो नंबर क्या होगा. नाउ सेकेंड इज होल नंबर. होल नंबर्स आर दोज नंबर्स विच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0. ऐसे नंबर जो 0 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, बट द एंड नंबर इज एंड एट इंफिनिटी. वी डोंट नो what is the last whole number. There are so many numbers, we cannot count them. And the third is integers. It is a collection of all positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. Collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. These are the basic three numbers. First is natural numbers. It is represented by n. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 ... up to infinity. There are infinite numbers. Whole numbers is represented by w, and it is a collection of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. And integers is a collection of all positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Therefore it is represented by I. So this is start from infinity. There are so infinity negative numbers, and this is -3, -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3 up to positive numbers. These are the three types of numbers. Now how can we define the natural numbers? So the definition is a rational number that can be expressed. A rational number that can be expressed as P upon Q. ऐसे नंबर जिसको हम P upon Q के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. This is a definition of rational number. It defines a rational number that can be expressed as P upon Q, where P and Q, both the numbers P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. जहाँ Q की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होती और लेकिन P और Q सभी इंटीजर नंबर हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we write 1 upon 2, it is a rational number because 1 is an integer and 2 also is an integer number. if we write minus 5 upon 6, it is also an integer number, because minus 5 is an integer. Minus 5 upon 6 is also an irrational number, because minus 5 is an integer and 6 is an integer number. 0 is also an rational number, because it can be represented as 0 upon 1. It is also written as 0 upon 2. It is also written as 0 upon 3. So we can say 0 is also an rational number. So there are so many rational numbers we can express as P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q never equal to 0. Now, to be continue, we studied that rational number can be written as P upon Q. It means 2 upon 5 is a rational number, where we also know that 2 and 5. 2 is called numerator, where 2 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. Two is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. So there are two types of rational numbers. First is positive rational number, and the second is negative rational number. Negative rational number. Now how can we identify these numbers, which one is the positive rational number and which one is the negative rational number? So if both the numerator and the denominator both have same sign, either positive, both have positive sign, positive numbers, numerator is positive and denominator is positive, and both have negative माइनस साइन. अगर दोनों नंबर का साइन अगर पॉजिटिव होता है या दोनों नंबर का साइन नेगेटिव होता है, तो उस केस में हम कहेंगे द नंबर इज पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज 1/2, both have same sign, positive sign. 1 is positive, 2 is positive. 3 upon -5. This is also a positive number, because we cancel out the minus sign to each other and we can written as 3 upon 5. So it is a positive rational number. Now negative rational number, either positive or negative, have minus sign. It means different sign, both have different sign. अगर दोनों ही नंबर्स में से, या तो न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर, दोनों ही नंबर में से कोई भी एक नंबर नेगेटिव का होता है या फिर दोनों के ही साइन अलग अलग होते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव का हो कोई भी एक और एक नेगेटिव का हो, तो उसे हम कहेंगे नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, -2/5. Here -2 is a negative number and 5 is a positive number. 3 upon -5. 3 is a positive number and 5 is a negative number. So these numbers are positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. So now the next topic is comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. How can we compare two rational numbers? As we all know that all positive numbers is always greater than all negative numbers. हम सभी को ये पता है कि जितने भी पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं वो सभी नेगेटिव नंबर से बड़े होते हैं. So similarly we can compare positive rational number and negative rational number easily. All positive rational number is greater than all positive rational number is greater than all negative rational number. तो जितने भी पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं रेशनल नंबर पॉजिटिव, वो सभी नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर से बड़े होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी राइट -2 -1/2 एंड इफ वी राइट -1/2 1/2 and -1/2, so we can easily compare that -1/2 is also a greater number. If we write -3/5 and 2/5, then we compare this -3/5 is less than 2/5. So we can easily compare positive rational number and negative rational number. If both our rational numbers are positive and if both the rational numbers are negative, then how can we compare? If both the rational numbers, अगर दोनों ही rational number positive rational number हों, जैसे हमने लिखा यहाँ पर, we can write 2/5 and I want to compare this number 4/8. Here are two numbers 2/5 and 4/8. Then how can we say which one is greater? हम दोनों को कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे, तो भी हम आगे समझते हैं उसे. So if you want to compare both positive numbers and both negative numbers, then let's take an example 2/5 and 4/8. We have to find which one is greater. Then firstly we can take LCM of denominators. दोनों denominators का हम LCM को फाइंड करेंगे. तो LCM of 5 and 8 is equal to 40. We know LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. Then we write here 40. Then we divide by 40 by 5. We divide 40 by 5. We get 8 and 8 is multiplied by 2. 8 to 16. Same as 8 is divided by 40 is we get 5 and 5 is multiplied by 4. We get 5 4 is 20. Now which one is greater? Is 16 is greater or 20 is greater? We all know 20 is greater. So we can say 2/5 less than 4/8. This is the way to compare the positive numbers. If the negative number, if we compare negative numbers, then we can put a sign, negative sign in the same example. Then we get this is -16 and this is -20. LCM is same. 5 8 is 40. 40 is divided by 5. We get 8. 8 to 16 -16. We get -16. Similarly, 40 is divided by 8. We get 5. 5 4 is 20. This is -20. Now, which one is greater? -16 or -20? So we all know जिस नेगेटिव नंबर की वैल्यू कम होता है वही नंबर बड़ा होता है. So we can say -16 is greater than -20. So we put here greater than sign. It means if we change the sign -2/5 and -4/8, then -2/5 is greater than -4/8. Hence we can compare these rational numbers either positive or negative.